going on, guys? It's my first vlog, so I'm a little nervous, not really a little camera shy, not gonna lie, but today we are building a trunk wood setup for my 2012 Speed 3. So I'll do a little walk around to my car. Got the Street Legends plate and the custom. That's the badge.
Just some little things here and there. Like a Honda Advent tires. I think I have another cab. I got my roof and mirrors, so that glass black. Not really a mod. Damon motor mounts.
Passenger trans in front, or in rear, sorry. Autotech high pressure fuel pump internals, access port V3, ATP 3-inch catless downpipe, and yeah, so I was on a recent trip with my car to pick up a motor. Yeah, I put a motor in the back of this thing. She's filthy. And there's supposed to be a cover that goes here.
They ruined the
factory thing, and oh, the motor I picked up was for my little 96 coupe. More content on that. So I have the little factory thingy up there, and this, if I squeeze it, like just oiled. Oh, not there. Not there either. Oil basically just comes out, and it's gross. So let's pull it down. And yeah, she's gross. She's had a rough life. So let's get it all marked up. And so yeah. Okay, so my original idea of doing a bunch of vertical lines won't work, so horizontal's the move. So I'm gonna snap these in place, get a rough tracing of what I need to do, and yeah, let's mark it up and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys have an IQ of more than 1 and know how to draw. So yeah, basically you put that thing on this thing, and you can see the pencil outline and the oil. Yeah, that's cool. And
trace. So now what we're gonna do is take them off one by one. So there's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, like in order. And we're gonna go put them over here. So we're gonna go put them right here on this handy on the workbench that I made. Oh, perfect. Pretty as can be. Saw motors before. So we have the center cord hooked up, and we grab the sawzall, and let's get the new panel.
that actually looks, you know, I'm as worried as I was. Not terrible. Sorry if I got some guys dusted. All right, let's finish this sucker. Yeah, that is not too bad. Not too bad at all. Dude, it's gonna look, guys, this is gonna look sick. Very happy. And the last one. Always wear protection, guys. In any scenario, just to be safe. So let me slap that piece back in and the wooden, test fit, and see how it looks. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, well, for free, doing this in like 20 minutes.
It's not perfect, but it definitely gets the job done. Definitely better than having nothing. That crap's in the garbage. I mean, I'll probably put my blanket down and maybe I can get some of this warp to, bugs. Maybe I can get some of this warp wood to kind of sit, but definitely gonna be better to, like, I can throw my backpack in the back again instead of the passenger seat or whatever. But I mean, I'm pretty happy for just kind of eyeballing it and just kind of like having that sended attitude. So I mean, yeah, this looks pretty good for, you know, from 10 feet away. And once the wood kind of sits, I think it'll look better. This is by no means a show car. I do, and it does not leak anymore. That is old. Do have coilovers coming again. I will drop a pic of what my car used to look like. Slammed, like all the way maxed. So I really don't want to do that again. But yeah, we're having an issue there. That's no bueno. So guys, for watching my first vlog. It was not the best, I know. I'm still learning, still getting there. More content update on the EK. I'm just waiting for my motor. So if this video gets 100 likes, smash that subscribe button as everyone says, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Peace.